Hi everyone, welcome to the Hot Stocks, the show that will go into the biggest names that I have on the watch list, starting with AMD that last week it had a beautiful short squeeze up and fading here on Friday with the rest of the market printing a bearish reversal candle. So what's next? Above $87 that will be the trigger for the longs. Otherwise, we can pull back. We have 83, 82, $8 area as possible supports. So that's something that I'll be looking. If we break above 87, we can have a big short squeeze all the way into $90. If we pull back, we have 83, 82, $80 area. When I'll become bearish, if the price breaks below $80, then I'll be bearish for a $4 downside potential here on AMD, looking for 76. We can go all the way into 73, 74. That's the biggest level that you have in front of you. So right now, keeping that's one of the names that can bring very nice trading either up or down. So keep it on your watch. One of the names that I had to the watch list is APPS. Showed some relative strength on Friday, with market fading, the stock actually gone up more than 7%. Looks calling for a break higher, okay? So above $41 Friday highs, I'll be looking for a possible attempt to take out the all-time highs and going above 43.57. So if you are long, I suggest that you trim profits on the way up. And on the breakout, who knows where this is going to stop. So right now, very bull case scenario here, looking for a possible resume back up. So keep it on your watch. BABA, another one that shows some relative strength with the market falling on Friday, up more than 4%. It worked very well from the breakout area. Day 1 to stopping exactly where it should at my moving average. So what's next? If you are long, you should be trimming profits on the way up. And we have big wall stopped at 272. That's your first level. If it breaks above, we have 277, $280. That's a big level. Bull case scenario needs above 282 to filling the gap all the way into $290. But once again, we need to see it, okay? And so keep it on your watch. Baidu, from last week, it worked very well. On Wednesday, reversal sell here, open with a gap down, filled the gap here. It worked, the trading plan worked very well. So now what? On Friday, printed an inside day. What's in an inside day? Basically staying between the high and the lows from Thursday. So the stock is coiling and trying to consolidate. What we want to see, if it's going to hold above 135 or if it will go into 133 and the next big level it's around 129. It was the breakout point. Or if the stock is able to go above 139 and start filling the gap all the way into 142. So action plan here, below 133, looking for a move into $4 downside into 129. Above 139, looking to fill the gap all the way into 142. That's the action that I'm looking into Baidu. Another one that I had to the watch list because saw very nice relative strength on Friday, EXPI. The stock with the market falling a bit, the stock actually go up more than 6% on the day, or going above the 8 and 21 day moving average. What's the next level? Above 49.60, we have 51. Okay, 51, 52, that's a big level. If it breaks above, watch out. Big short squeeze with the stock going all the way into the $60 area. So keep it on your watch. They a nice bounce here, but needs to break $52 to go into the $60 area. So keep it on your watch. Can be a mover next week. FedEx had a reversal sell here on Wednesday. Pull back into the 821 day moving average. We have the line in the sand 273. If it breaks below and stays below 273, watch out, can go all the way into 260, 255, 256 as big support levels. So keep it on your watch. Fastly also show some relative strength here on Friday, up more than 3%, is coiling for a possible resume back up. Seeing some bullish options activity, but we need continuation. Above 85, we have a move all the way into $95 before entering the gap all the way into $100. So keep it on your watch going forward. Bear case scenario, and when this move will be rejected, if price breaks below 78. 78 is my support line. If price breaks below, the momentum can be lost and the stock can go down into the $65 area. So keep it on your watch. GameStop, another one, very nice. I traded on Thursday for a nice cash flow trade, but closed a bit too soon. Very nice follow through from Thursday all the way into the Friday. Very nice today action. It faded a bit on Friday, but after such a strong move, it was normal. Actually, with the market weak, it was expectable. So what's next? I'm continue bullish on the stock while we are above $11. So if the stock pull back, we can have some consolidation here, but I'll be looking in the next couple of sessions for the stock possible going before the end of the year all the way into the $15 area. So keep it on your watch. Another one that I have it on the watch list is another one that I gave you some days ago, HYLN. Looking here for a possible, but we need a break above 28. 28 will be the trigger for the short squeeze, in my opinion. Above 28, the stock can go all the way. This is a fast mover, can regain the momentum and can have another cycle of upside going into 2021. So keep it on your watch. Lee, another one that shows some huge relative strength has been showing after a bullish reversal candle here on Wednesday. Nice 3 days upside, looking for a possible break. What is the trigger? $40. Breaks above $40. Who knows where this is going to stop? Very nice bull case scenario. While the stock above 34, that's the 8-day moving average. So keep it on your watch. Another one that I had on the watch list, it tried to break on Friday, but it failed. Needs above 655. Above 60.55, we can have a move all the way into the $70 area. So keep it on your watch. Peloton, another name that I have into watch list. Very nice relative strength here in the last week, looking for a possible gap filling. Start entering the fill gap at 112.8 on Friday, needs above 113. So if it goes above 113, you have a gap to fill at $122. So in my opinion, above 113, it's a long all the way into $120 area. So keep it on your watch. Snapchat, mentioned last week. I also got some calls, closed a bit too soon, but it worked very, very well. Not easy. Not an easy one, because during the day action all over the place before breaking higher and resuming back up, but it's working very well. Reversal bounce here on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Very nice upside, very nice relative strength. So if you are long, what you should be trying to trim profits on the way up. So next logical level around 45.6, and above that blue sky ahead. Who knows where this is going to stop? Can go all the way into the $50 area. So keep it on your watch. Another one that I believe it's coiling is Spotify. It shows some great relative strength here on Friday with the stock up more than 4% and looking for a trigger. Okay, what's the trigger? Friday highs above 263. The stock can go all the way back into $290 area. So keep it on your watch. Going into next week can be a nice one. Another one that I had to the watch list is Sumo. Why? Relative strength with stock up more than 9% on Friday. So what's next? Above 21.3, Friday highs of the day. The stock is a fast mover, can go all the way into $24-25 area. So keep it on your watch. The last one is Zoom. Zoom with the Peloton shows some relative strength last week, trying to break above all the key moving average. What's the trigger? Friday highs 445. Above 445, we have gaps to fill at 482. So Peloton and Zoom all moving together in tandem. So something to keep on watch. If next week it's going to give upside and follow the gap. So something to keep on watch. So those are the biggest names that I have on the watch list. Wish you all great trading. Stay safe. Bye bye everyone.